Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Tab M8 4th generation, and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So let's start with a secret code which will provide us with the serial number information. We have to open the dialer and enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see right here at the bottom of this pop-out window, we've got the serial number. So let's tap on OK, and let me show you another way through the settings. So let's tap on it, then scroll down to the very bottom to find About Tablet. And now we have to localize the serial number, which is unfortunately not here, which means that we will have to enter a specific section. So let's localize the model number and then enter it. And as you can see at the bottom, we've got the serial number of this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.